This is a 2020 Gore 2-horse straight-load gooseneck. 7'6" tall, 6 feet wide. It's got a great 5-foot dressing room with a blanket bar, bridle hooks, clothing bar, camper vent, 2 saddle racks, and this built-in boot box. Got rubber mats on the dressing room floor, carpet in the nose. There's 2 lights in here in the dressing room. All the light switches are in the dressing room for the front and the back of the trailer. Full-length diamond-plated running boards. Diamond plate on the fenders. Gore is a steel chassis with an aluminum frame and aluminum skin. They also have a fiberglass roof, which is much cooler than aluminum in the hot summer sunshine. Padded wall, padded removable divider, padded breast and butt bars. The walls in the Gore trailer are insulated. They're using a galvanized steel wheel. This trailer, that is a 15-inch wheel. Got a rear ramp with top curtains. The curtains can be tied back for traveling. Latch back, there is an actual latch. They also have windows in those curtains, so if you want to keep them closed and open up those windows, you can. Got a load light, an interior horse area light. Again, that divider can come out and have an open spot there for the golf cart, lawnmower, moving a kid to college. The lights are the ramps are super light. I can lift that up with one arm. Go ahead, Winnie. Again, the nice diamond-plated running boards all the way down. 2 escape doors with sliding windows there. Sliding windows on the hip. This one has black stripes. It's got a manual jack. Single speed manual jack. Spare tire, and that's mounted under the nose with a Gore tire cover. All your standard safety features. Steel chassis, aluminum skin, aluminum frame, fiberglass roof. Oh, it does have a wooden floor. Not sure I mentioned that. Wooden floor in the Gore. I love wood. It's so easy to take care of. Rubber mats over that wood. Insulated walls. Cool fiberglass ceiling.